The 1959 Mack B73 semi-truck is more than just a vintage hauler, it's a chrome symbol of mid-American grit and engineering brilliance. A standout from Mack's celebrated B-Series lineup produced between 1953 and 1966. The B73 was the long-hood highway heavyweight, designed specifically for serious, over-the-road duty. Powered by a robust Mack NTC335 turbocharged diesel inline-six engine, the B73 produced around 2 horsepower, an impressive figure for the Eru paired with a 5 or 10-speed manual transmission. Depending on the configuration, it was known for its durability, straightforward mechanics, an unmistakable Bulldog grille that made it instantly recognizable across North American highways. With a long wheelbase, heavy-duty axles, and double-frame rail construction, the B73 was built to haul massive loads through mountains, prairies, and punishing weather without faltering. When lined up against other trucks of its time, such as the International R-Series or the early Kenworth 900s, the Mack B73 often stood out, not just for its powertrain, but also for its toughness. It wasn't the most luxurious truck on the road, but it wasn't meant to be. It was engineered to work relentlessly, earning a reputation for dependability in long-haul and heavy freight applications, while the Peterbilt 351 offered more driver comfort, and white Freightliner cows delivered better maneuverability in cities. The B73's long nose and muscular frame made it a dominant force for long stretches and big payloads. Its mechanical simplicity made repairs manageable even in remote areas, and that trait won the loyalty of owners who valued reliability over refinement. In the historical context, the B73 helped shape the identity of Mack Trucks as a builder of no-nonsense, heavy-duty machines. These trucks became icons of the U.S. post-war industrial boom, a time when freight demand was high and infrastructure was expanding rapidly. For many, the B73 isn't just a truck, it's a time capsule from the golden age of American trucking, where chrome bumpers, big diesel, rumble, and rugged steel were the norm. Today, restored B73s are prized at vintage truck shows and parades, often gleaming brighter than they ever did during their workhorse days. Looking to the future, the legacy of the B73 serves as a foundation for modern Mack designs that blend strength with sustainability. While an electric B73 is unlikely, elements of its durable engineering and unmistakable character continue to influence how Mack approaches modern heavy-duty trucking. As autonomous and electric semi-trucks become the norm, the B73 reminds the industry that lasting impact comes from reliability, pride in craftsmanship, and an unshakable bond between machine and driver.